Hi, I'm Joe Macedoni, one of the sales managers here at Murdoch Hyundai. Undoubtedly, you've seen our advertising in the Super Bowl featuring our 2020 Sonata and the Smaht Pahk feature. I just wanted to show you today how awesome it really is and how that works. The actual feature is called Remote Start Parking Assist, and it uses sensors just like these, front and back, to measure any distance between the car and any other object. It's times like this when Remote Smart Park would come in handy, when you've come back from the store and somebody has parked ridiculously close and you can't get into your car. Instead of waiting 45 minutes, let me show you what you can do instead. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and lock the car with the remote, then remote start, so you hold it down. Then ensure that there's nothing behind the vehicle and you just hold down the reverse button. You have to be within 30 inches or so, and the vehicle will back itself out. And then you can get right into your vehicle and take off. Another situation where this might come in handy is in your garage if you have a few things and it's tight, or if somebody's parked too close, you can just pull it right in using the remote. That's the Remote Smart Park Assist on the 2020 Sonata Limited. It's a really cool feature found on the redesign of this car. Beautiful lines, lots of cool features. Come down and see it for yourself, and may all roads lead to Murdoch Hyundai.